Welcome to our breaking news report. Today, we bring you a tragic incident that unfolded in the Sea of Greece, where a British man lost his life in a devastating lightning strike. Let's dive into the details. British man killed in lightning strike in the Sea of Greece. In a shocking turn of events, a British man's life was tragically cut short during a leisurely paddle in the Sea of Greece. This incident occurred on Tuesday, leaving the victim's family and friends in deep sorrow. According to local media reports, the incident took place away from Agia Agathi in Rhodes. The Rhodes Port Authority has confirmed the incident, but has refrained from sharing additional details due to the ongoing investigation. The British Foreign Office has assured the public that the victim's family is receiving necessary support during this difficult time. Their primary focus is to ensure the family has the required assistance and guidance. Authorities are currently investigating the circumstances surrounding the incident. It remains unclear whether the man was directly hit by the lightning. A Greek newspaper, Rudiaki, reported that the lightning struck the victim just before 13:30 local time on Tuesday, causing him to fall into the water. Shockingly, his girlfriend was filming the scene from Sahil when the tragedy occurred. In a stroke of luck amidst the tragedy, a passerby, described as a local footballer, rushed to the man's aid. This brave bystander managed to pull the victim out of the sea and brought him to shore. Unfortunately, despite their efforts, the man was declared brought dead upon arrival at a nearby hospital. This shocking incident serves as a somber reminder of the unpredictable and dangerous nature of lightning strikes. Lightning can be devastating and deadly, even in seemingly safe environments. Authorities are diligently working to determine the exact circumstances and sequence of events that led to this unfortunate loss of life. As the investigation continues, our thoughts and condolences go out to the family and friends of the young man who lost his life in this devastating incident. May they find strength and support during this difficult time. Thank you for watching this breaking news report. Stay tuned for further updates on this tragic incident. Remember to stay safe and be aware of the dangers posed by nature's fury. Goodbye for now.